Is it best to query by keys underscore only equals true then get underscore multi, or just full query? I am using ndb with Python 2.7 with thread-safe mode turned on. I understand that querying for entities with ndb does not use local cache or memcached but goes straight to the data store, unlike getting by key name. The rest of the question might be redundant if this premise is not correct. Therefore, would a good paradigm be to only query with keys underscore only equals true and then do a get underscore multi to obtain the full entities? The benefits would be that keys underscore only equals true queries are much faster than keys underscore only equals false. Get underscore multi could potentially just hit memcached, and by calling get underscore multi your entities are now saved in memcached in case you need to do the query again. The drawbacks are that you now have an RPC query call plus get underscore multi call, and I think there is a limit to how many entities you can call in one get underscore multi, therefore your effective query size might be limited. What do you think? Should we only ever query using keys underscore only equals true then perform get underscore multi? Are there certain minimum and maximum query size limits that make this technique not as effective as just doing a query that returns the full entities? This has been extensively researched. See this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.